Good morning.
We're still sleepy.
We are still sleepy. It's what, 8:15 in the morning? Ooh, something was in the bushes. We are in Trat. So yesterday we spent 8 hours getting here. Don't know how exactly far we are into our trip, but these PTT stations in Thailand, they have everything. This one has a KFC, a 7-Eleven, a Cafe Amazon. They're great. So we decided to fill up, have a quick snack, kind of coffee. But we have seen so much on our way here already. Like, we first went through what seemed like Little Italy. There's like really nice wineries that I wish we would stop at. Maybe we'll stop back on the way home. And then we went to this huge industrial section. I think they're fascinating. Some people might think they're boring, but it was like its own city. It was so big. We've seen temples and just loads of trucks, just kind of taking the back roads off to like the main highway. But yeah, this little PTT station is awesome. Great thing about Cafe Amazon is that there's air conditioning. Get a little break from the heat. This is our first ride with my new helmet and my new jacket and all our gear. Basically, Jay's got a jacket, like a protective jacket, and a big full face helmet, same with me. It's our first time riding in Thailand, and it, as to be expected, it is hot. When you're driving, it's not bad. When you get used to the temperature and your body kind of acclimates to the warm air, it's not bad. But when we first got on, I was like, oh, just get going, it's so hot. But yes, we are sweaty messes for sure. But we made it.
It was really supposed to be like a Google 5-hour drive.
Yeah.
But we had to stop and get under cover for a few times.
We took an extra long lunch, but we made it. So we're all just off to breakfast, and then we're going to pack the bike up and then head towards the pier to get on a boat to go to KOH CHANG. So we're not done yet, so we're going to take you guys along to breakfast. A much needed breakfast. Oh, see that? She's delivering breakfast. Delivering breakfast on a scooter.
Okay, we need coffee.
I feel like some breakfasts you win some breakfasts you lose some. That was a loss. I'm gonna count that as a loss. Jay ate all of his. I'm a little bit more of a picky eater when it comes to breakfast. But anyway, I did have a bite or two. We're staying at the Pattaya Resort, is what it's called. $26 a night, including breakfast. The room was like super clean, and it was way bigger than I expected.
It was a room. Bathroom was huge.
Yeah. No, it was nice. The bed's a little hard, but everything was super clean, which is always a bonus. Okay.
We woke up to a sunny day, so we're hoping this weather will continue. We have the worst luck when it comes to getting on the bike and going on a road trip. It seems like, oh, the weather looks like it's going to be good. As soon as we get on a bike and go, rain. But so far, so good today. So we're hoping while we're on the island and that the weather will be good.
Yes.
And hopefully for the ride back to Pattaya. Jumped in.
Yes. We had a good cruise yesterday on our way here. We drove through Ban Pay. We've been to Ban Pay a couple of times, and it was nice to... Rayong area, yeah. Nice to drive through and reminisce a little bit. All right. Packing up the bike and heading for the pier. Can you believe we fit everything we're bringing underneath our seat? It's amazing. It's like Tetris. Playing Tetris. It is steaming. It's 9 o'clock and it is going to be a hot day. Clouds are rolling in now, but still blue skies.
Ready?
Yeah. So we just entered the ferry ticket line. I'm not exactly sure how this works because there's vehicles in the lane and we're the only motorcycle, but yeah, I don't know.
Maybe you buy your ticket right here.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, like right at that booth, right?
Yeah. Go to the booth, tell them 2 people in a motorcycle and we're going.
Whee! Hopefully it's that easy. Let's see. Sawadika.
Two people plus the scooter.
240. 240 baht. Whee!
Yeah.
Now where do we go? Sawadika. Loading on now. He's waving us on. Kapunka. Yeah, this is the first time. Yep, go over again here. Interesting. Just in this little corner, I guess. And we made it. Interesting. Yes. We don't have any straps to strap it down or anything, so they must do that. I don't know. No? Okay. Interesting. We're already leaving. Like we just got on the boat, just in time. Wow. Okay. It's really loud right here. Yeah. The engine room's right here. So I don't think we have to stay with the boat, with the bike, do we? All right, let's go upstairs.
Yeah, like people have rolling bags. They're just sitting right there.
Yeah.
What keeps us from going anywhere?
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't think it's that rough. You can see the island.
Wow. This is so cool. We haven't been on a ferry like this. Well, we have, but not with a vehicle.
We don't usually do people ferries.
No. Wow. Huh. Cool. So you can see the island out there. Wow. I can't believe we just made it. Oh my gosh. Something worked out. Whew. Crazy. Breeze feels great. So it's 240 baht for our bike and us two. One way. So we got a nice coffee.
And Nescafe. You want something to drink or anything? There's.
I don't know.
We'll go take a look.
Yeah. I can't believe we made it.
What timing? Drive on the boat and away we go. That never happens for us.
I know, so I said. Okay, it's time. That was fast. Whew. I was just telling Jay, that's probably the easiest thing we've ever done. Grab a ticket, drive on, and then we take off right away. How perfect was that? So we have not booked anything on the island. So we're gonna tour around, see what we see, find something we like, and decide that's where we'll stay in. I have not started to unload yet. Oh yes, they have. Okay. Okay, they're starting to move, babe. outside is a little bit chaotic. Okay, it's wearing a t-shirt. Just a little chaotic, but we're out on the road. Woohoo! It's our first glimpse. Way down there. Oh, cool. That's lovely. Alright, just jumping off the bike at a lookout. We're driving down like the main road basically from the pier to the far end of the island. And it kind of reminded me of the Cabot Trail all over again. We know there's water there, we just can't see it. But here, you can see it. Look at that. So a catamaran out there. Somewhere, there it is. I want to go on that catamaran out there. That looks fun. Come to a lookout. I have no idea where I'm going. All I know is there's a crap ton of stairs. So who knows what's at the top here. Let's go see. Let's go this way. There's little tents up here. This is beautiful. Wow. We've basically been at this restaurant for like 3 hours. Eating, relaxing, enjoying this view. We finally found a place to stay. Lots of places to look at and go through. So we figured we're just gonna book one place for one night. And then if we like it, stay. If we don't, we're gonna carry on. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna hang out here for a little bit longer, enjoy this view. It's very peaceful here and very just chill. Minus the barking dog in the background. But she's so cute. She comes and says hello every once in a while. And then we'll hop back on the bike and head to our accommodations for the evening. Yeah. 8 minutes up the road. Oh, goodness, this like rips my face off every time I take the helmet off.
I don't know how you feel.
check in and see what we got here. It's rocky. It's so quiet here. I love it. You can hear the birds. Remember? It's at the end.
This is our superior water from the loop.
Yep. Okay. Whew. What? Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. At least there's power lights on the water heater.
Look at the bed. It's like,
Go jump on it, tell me what's up, please. The bathroom here is like open air almost.
that's alright. It's just, the bed is like a dish. Our door doesn't open all the way. The bed is like a dish.
Yeah, we'll just sleep in the middle.
Yep.
Sideways.
Yeah, that's fine. Whatever. So we dropped our gear, jumped in the pool. Now we're heading on out again. Can't sit still for too long, you know. Cannot sit still. I want to check this place out. So I think there's a waterfall not far from here.
Only got 3 nights to see the island.
I know, we only have 3 nights. We're gonna explore. So the waterfall is a no-go. Dry. Having a little drink because it's hot out.
Yeah, you can never trust the monkeys here. Some of them are raging alcoholics. See?
That's too funny.
You want to tell them that the waiter was just sitting there getting baked when we got here? Getting baked at the front when we arrived, so it's a pretty chill place.
Yeah. Drinking a beer and smoking.
Just got a bottle of Hong Kong on the table while they drink their beer and smoke a joint at the front table, and then
That's pretty.
seat you and bring you a menu when you sit in. That's pretty West Coast. At the West Coast.
That's pretty chill. So that's exactly where we are, the West Coast.
It's very chill.
And we're both getting burgers. We haven't had like Western food since we've been to Thailand. We've only eaten Thai food. This is our first time.
Yes.
It's crazy.
Well, we're on the island and we're just kind of loosening up a little bit. Not as much as our waiter, but you know.
Yeah. Oh boy. Anyway, after dinner, we're gonna try and find. We're eating this. I call it dinner. It's not really dinner. It's like a late lunch because it's not even 5 o'clock yet.
Really late, but it's like it's like 4 something.
I don't know. It's like 4:30-ish. Oh
It's
no!
20 after 5
Now
now.
it's 20.
We had to drive around the island 3 times to find a burger place because each one we went to was either not there or closed or whatever.
Yeah.
So
Okay. So after our burgers, we're gonna go find a sunset spot. That might be back at our hotel, but
could be. Yeah, it'd be nice to see what it's like there. There's some
Yeah.
cool little islands out in the water and stuff.
Yeah. So let's wait for our burgers and then we'll catch you at sunset. This burger is gargantuous. It looks so yummy. I think it's a pretty good view and a pretty good way to end a video. So thanks for hanging out with us as we traveled from Trat to KOH CHANG on the ferry. It was pretty easy going and looking forward to exploring in the next couple of days. So be watching on Sundays for when we put out more of KOH CHANG. We might do a boat cruise to Koh Kood, who knows. But I can't believe how much sun I got today. I have no idea how I got so much sun, but here I am all red in the face. But anyway, that sunset is absolutely beautiful. So I'm just gonna leave you here with the sunset, and thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.